Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Orange Workflow. Today in this video, we'll learn about model evaluation in AI. In simple words, if I talk, it means how good our AI model is. We test the model and compare its answers with the real answer. So we need to check how good our AI model is. So let's quickly start. As you can see on my screen, these are the 6 stages of AI project cycle. So today we'll be learning about the 5th stage, that is the evaluation stage. Now, there are two types of data set. One is training data set, another one is testing data set. Training data set means the data set where it learns patterns from data. And testing means for evaluating the model on unseen data. Testing basically is used for evaluation, and training means that you are training the AI model. It will learn patterns from the data. Now next comes types of model fitting. As you can see, there are 3 types of model fitting: overfitting, underfitting and perfect fit. Now what is overfitting? Overfitting means the model learns too much. It remembers the training data like a parrot. So it's perfect on training data but bad on new data. Whereas in underfitting, it means model learns very little, almost nothing. So it performs badly on everywhere, right? Next comes perfect fit. In this, the model performs well on both training and testing data. Now next comes accuracy and error. Accuracy means that measures the total number of predictions that are correct by the model, and error is the difference between the model's prediction and the actual outcome. We will cover these topics in the next video as well. Now there are 4 types of classification matrices: confusion matrix, classification accuracy, recall and precision. In this video, we'll cover only confusion matrix. So let's quickly start. Now as you can see, this is the confusion matrix. Now to understand this, first you have to make a grid. In that grid, one side you have to write prediction, another side you have to write reality. Now prediction are of 2 types, right? It can be true, it can be false. Similarly, reality is of also 2 types. It can be true, it can be false. So for true, everywhere I have written 1. For false, it is 0. Now how it is true positive? Let's understand with this example. Now as you can see, this is the picture of mango. So if we ask a question to the AI machine that is this a mango? Machine says yes, this is a mango. The predictions is yes. In reality also, this is a mango. Fine. So when prediction matches the reality, the case becomes true positive. That is the first case, when prediction matches the reality. As you can see, our first quadrant, that is of true positive case. Now let's understand the second case, that is true negative. Now looking towards this picture, we ask the model, is this a mango? The model says, no, this is not a mango, right? And prediction is also that this is not a mango. Obviously, this is an apple. Fine. So prediction is correct. When prediction and reality is correct, but the answer is in no, that is false, it becomes the case of true negative, which is our second quadrant. Fourth quadrant, that is true negative case. Now let's talk about these 2 cases, false negative and false positive. Now look at this scenario, that is this a mango? So the prediction is no, this is not a mango. But in reality, as we all can see, this is a mango. So when prediction does not matches with the reality, the case becomes false negative. How it becomes negative? Because the prediction is in negative, that is no. The last case, that is false positive. Is this a mango? Prediction says yes, but in reality it is no. So here also prediction does not match with the reality, because prediction is yes, that is positive. So case becomes false positive. So that's all for today. In my next video, we'll discuss about accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score and numericals related to it. So do subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you.